Introducing SageX. Elevate your professional journey with tailored insights, practice simulations, and engaging video content. Right from the start, logging into SageX is a breeze. Simply enter your email address. You'll receive a token, and you enter the token information to gain access to the app. When you first register, you'll be asked to select at least 3 growth tracks from a group of 18 that describe your personal learning goals. Based on the growth tracks you select, SageX crafts a path for your professional growth. Personalization is at the heart of SageX. The Home tab welcomes you with recommendations tailored to your personal development goals. Our algorithmically driven interface offers video reel recommendations, ensuring your learning path aligns with your unique needs. As you immerse yourself, the advice keeps flowing, empowering you to face workplace challenges head-on. Stay ahead with mission-critical categories. From motivation to workplace relationships and career growth, SageX brings the world of professional performance support to your fingertips. Dive deeper into specific topics within a category. Whether it's mastering the art of communication, resolving conflicts gracefully, advocating for yourself, leading your team more effectively, or navigating sensitive workplace topics, SageX ensures you're always one step ahead. Choose a video reel, simply tap, and then immerse yourself in impactful, actionable content with advice you can apply immediately to address your specific challenges. Every SageX reel is meticulously crafted for engagement and effectiveness. SageX offers a treasure trove of concise, engaging, and impactful video reels. We understand your time is invaluable, so most videos are between 4 to 8 minutes. SageX offers actionable insights that are straight to the point, right when you need them. It's easy to pause and replay any video section for reinforcement. Find a reel that resonates? Just heart it for quick access anytime. The Home tab also showcases optional custom reels as well as recommended reels based on your viewing history, all curated just for you. You can also quickly access your viewed reels and those you have bookmarked or favorited. Expand your horizons with the Discover tab. Explore a wealth of content curated into highly relevant, relatable categories. Stay current with reels in the Hot Topics category, which address timely challenges like managing burnout and navigating workplace bias. SageX keeps you informed and empowered. Search with ease. Whether it is by typing or using voice commands, SageX delivers relevant results instantly to help you address any workplace challenge in the moment of need. Ready to put learning to the test? Beyond video content, SageX offers a state-of-the-art simulation suite. Engage in over 50 AI-powered interactive roleplays, from effective negotiation to conflict resolution. Each session culminates in personalized feedback and a go-forward playbook. An introductory video explains how SageX simulations work. Skip if you're a return visitor, and dive deeply into the backdrop of your roleplay. The roleplay setup video provides context for the simulation and gives you background information on the role that you will play in the simulation. You will need to watch the entire video before you can begin the simulation. Engage actively in the simulation. Type or speak. SageX listens, responds, and guides you through the scenario. Feedback is golden. It's the best way to improve performance. Post-simulation, SageX provides you with personalized feedback and actionable insights to further hone your skills. And now we turn to the Reflect section of the app. Dive into self-reflection exercises designed to shine a light on your existing behaviors, mindsets, attitudes, and work practices. Whether you're looking to evaluate your job satisfaction or assess your work-life harmony, SageX offers a spectrum of self-exploration activities. Once you hit the launch button, you're guided through a specific series of introspective questions. Reflect honestly, and let SageX do the rest. Once you submit your responses, a feedback message awaits, crafted to provide additional advice. But that's not all. Based on your unique responses, SageX suggests curated reels and feeds them directly into your recommended reels section, helping you grow, adapt, and thrive. Your profile keeps track of your personal learning history and provides you with access to essential app information. Your dashboard lets you see what you've launched and what you've completed, as well as your personal ranking and who's on the top of the leaderboard. View your progress along the SageX learning journey, from novice navigator to epic explorer in your achievements. You can update your growth tracks, view PDF copies of your roleplay feedback, or get swift support and answers to frequently asked questions, all in one place. SageX transcends traditional coaching. It's your essential tool for mastering the complexities, nuances, and challenges of today's workplace. Whether you've felt perplexed by office politics, are unsure of how to assert your value, or are frustrated with a colleague who doesn't pull their weight, for these and thousands of other challenges, SageX is at the ready to guide you just like a trusted coach. Step into a world of personalized growth and dynamic performance support. Your journey is our mission. Aim higher with SageX.